Welcome guys. Today I have something very interesting to show you. So I had made this game in Godot a couple of weeks back. It is a basic 2D game, check the link in description for the tutorial. It can be played with a mouse or keyboard. Let me win this game really quickly. Enough of this. Let me show you how I put this game in Discord. As you can see, I have started the Discord bot which has the game commands. The Discord bot GUI has the number of players and a checkbox for verbose. I will first run the help command. Here the bot gives some information about the game. The play command starts the game. And there are optional flags to change the size, image and numbers. The stop command ends the game. Let me start the game. As you can see, the current players is 1 and I get a screenshot of the game, along with the buttons to play. Initially, the game is solved, but once I press a button it will be scrambled. The buttons work flawlessly. Although the response time will be based on your internet speed. When I press up, the 8th tile moves up. Same for left moves left and so on. Each game also shows the player of the game. Let me go to my second account and try to play the game. Since this account didn't start the game, it doesn't allow me to play another user's game. So let's start a new game on this account. I will use All Might's picture and hide the numbers. I'll use the 3x3 size. But it can be changed. Here it shows my username. Coming back to the main account. Again it says not allowed as expected. The players command shows the current players. Now I will end the game on this account. It tells me the game is stopped. Let me try to play that game and see what happens now. As you can see, the buttons get removed if the game is stopped. Let's quickly see the implementation. This is the main scene that has the Discord bot node. I have the latest version of Discord.gd enabled. Here in the main script, there is a dictionary of games and an array of current players. The ready function is similar to the previous Discord GD videos. Link in description. Basically, we set the token and connect the signals of the bot, and finally log in. The next two functions are helper functions to generate the buttons needed for the game. In the bot ready, it prints logged in. The message create and handle command are also similar to previous videos. Ping command is also the same. In the help command, I make and send an embed with the help information. Coming to the main command. Play. Firstly, we check if the user is already in a game. If yes, we return. Otherwise, we instance a new game. The game scene is the same as the one from the slide puzzle tutorial, with a few modifications. I removed the timer and settings button. The main thing here is the viewport node and camera 2D node. The viewport is used to render each game for the specific user. The image size in Discord is the size of the viewport. Note that larger sizes will increase latency. Back to the main script. Here I am parsing the arguments like size, image and hide node. Once that is done, we add the user to the current users and set the username in the game. The yield visual server is important since we have to wait for the frame to draw. Then we finally sent a screenshot of the game in an embed along with the buttons. Similarly, for the stop command, we check if the user is not playing a game, then we return a message. The main logic of the gameplay is in this function. When a button is pressed, this function is called. Here we firstly check to make sure the game is cached in the game's dictionary. Next we check and see if the user is the one who requested the game. If not, we sent a not allowed message. Then based on the button which was pressed, we make the respective move on the game and send a new screenshot along with the buttons. That is pretty much the entire bot. It's fairly simple and easy to integrate any game, even 3D. Do subscribe and like the video. Bye.